guys, Stephen Fielders here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at Curt's hitch-mounted tray-style bike rack. And with Curt Group, we actually have Keith. How you doing, Keith?
Doing fantastic. Yourself, Stephen?
I am doing great.
Excellent.
So Keith, there are a ton of bike racks on today's market. What is going to make this one stand out?
Well, what's really unique about this product is it is a 2-inch hitch-mounted product. It is also a tray style. What's unique about the tray style is this is easily adaptable to any size bicycle that you're going to have. We also have another feature that you can get, and it's for the fat tires. So you can replace these and use the fat tire style for the fat style bikes. The other unique feature is we added a locking system with a ratcheting system, which makes this easy to adjust to clamp down to the bar of the bicycles. One thing that you'll find the users of the tray styles like is the trays actually support the weight of the bicycle, so you're not hanging the bicycle off of one of the mounts.
That's great.
So yes, when you look at the really high-end bicycles out there, the carbon fiber frames, you really don't want to hang those. You want to have them in a tray style. The other unique features that we built into this is the ability to make this adjustable to get into the back of the vehicle by pulling a pin, allowing the bikes to come down simplistically out of the way so that you can get into the trunk, as well as if you want to store this when the bikes are not in use, you can simply stand it up like this and store it into place.
Very good.
Now what's unique about this is it gets it nice and tight against the vehicle, but you do need to be aware in some cases if there's a backup camera, you may have some visual impacts on that as well. The other thing that we added was a anti-rattle system, because we know that when you're hanging bikes off the back, this particular model will support 180 pounds.
Yes.
It's available on a 2-bike, it's available on a 4-bike. We wanted to make sure we eliminated any swaying that you're going to get because it is adapted to a 2-inch mount and it's sticking out there pretty far. We put an anti-rattle system in. So instead of putting a hitch pin, it's a threaded system that actually pulls the metals together and makes it tight inside the hitch to eliminate any swaying or bouncing while you're going down the road.
All right, Keith, so what kind of warranty do you offer on this product?
On this particular product, we have a limited lifetime warranty. We feel that the bike rack is a phenomenal piece, and we want to make sure that any consumer that is using this product can feel comfortable for the duration of the time that they own it.
All right, guys, so that's a wrap on the tray style bike rack. Keith, thank you for coming out today.
My pleasure, thank you.
Yes, sir, thank you very much. Now, guys at home, if you want any more details about this product, check the description below the video. We'll have everything for you there from a part number all the way to a dealer locator, so you can find the bike rack here at a dealer near you. Now, if you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.